Abduct. To abduct someone means to take them away by force, usually without permission. It's often used when talking about someone being kidnapped. The villain tried to abduct the prince. Police stopped the man from abducting the child. In the movie, the aliens tried to abduct a boy from his backyard, but he escaped just in time. The police acted quickly when they found out someone had tried to abduct a girl near the park. Kidnap, to take someone away by force. Snatch, to grab someone suddenly. Capture, to catch and hold someone. Other similar words: seize, take away, hold. Free, to let someone go. Release, to set someone free. Rescue, to save someone from danger. Other opposite words: save, protect, let go.